You look like Snow White with a bit of melanin.
I'm the Snow White version in Wakanda. Hi guys, welcome back to the PNCA Sister channel.
In today's video, we're hopping on the bandwagon of the I tried following so-and-so's makeup tutorial and we chose
Bretman Rock!
Yes! Or whatever. Because we find him hilarious and his makeup looks are bomb, and this specific one is for his bougie look, and since we're bad and bougie
but on a budget,
tell him, we chose to do this one. Keep watching.
I'm gonna go in with two Makeup Forever foundation. I'm going with the Ultra HD and the Matte Velvet. I'm just gonna do 50-50 on both of the foundation.
I like the idea of his using 50-50 foundation, so I'm just gonna use the same.
Yeah.
What are you using?
A double wear foundation, since he's using a matte one, and I'm mixing it with Fenty Beauty.
I'm gonna use the YSL Touche Eclat, and to cover I'm gonna use my Luminous foundation.
So I'm taking the Lock It Concealer from Miss Camouflage. Okay, now we're gonna blend that into our skin. We're gonna highlight the face using the Pro Conceal by LA Girl Cosmetics. It's gonna use that underneath the eyes. And then now we're gonna blend it all together. Should be like the perfect highlighter shade. Highlighter conceal. Bitch, I don't know what it's called. Like concealing highlighter.
I'm gonna use the Ultra Camouflage.
The Matchmaster Stick Concealer.
We all making funny faces. I'm concealed or whatever.
We are gonna bake the face using the translucent medium deep from Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna use that to bake. Oh my god, I love it already. So I'm gonna go in with like a brush and I'm just gonna set it lightly. I'm not gonna bake it onto my face. I literally buy everything and anything that Miss Jackie Aina tells me to buy.
Since I don't have it, I'm borrowing some of you.
What's for one, PNCA Sister is for both.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Just the powder though.
I never baked my face before.
You need more.
I need more?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you're good.
And then I'm just gonna set under my eyes, right?
Why am I watching? I should probably bake before my concealer dries
as well. Okay.
Yeah.
I am going in for second dip.
Dip it.
Oh my god. Where else you baked?
Oh, recently a cake actually, because I'm domesticated.
Oh no, I mean like what area of your face you bake?
Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I don't think I could fucking do this with the pressure of you watching me. Okay. So I'm gonna go off camera real quick.
But you just don't want to show. He does his brows very sharp and intense. So maybe we'll go for that.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm just trying my best.
To set it, I use the brow gel
and forgot to set it.
Then I use the Ready Set Brow from Benefit to set the end.
The struggle is too real. That was just one eye.
Yes, looking sharp.
Yes. Yeah. I think.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I think. 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 I Yeah, I think that's the best I can do.
Let's see.
Fingers after going in with the brush to make sure all the edges are cute and intact. To prep the eyes, I'm gonna be using this Painterly Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC. Everybody uses this.
We're using the e.l.f. eye primer.
So now let's get started on the eyes. So for the eyes, I use the Master Palettes by Mario and the Nubians by Juvia's.
Since we don't have the exact palette, so we're just gonna combine two.
So for the base of the eyes, I'm gonna be mixing these two shades together.
We're gonna use Burnt Orange from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And
we're gonna use this color. This doesn't have a name, but this is from the PH Cosmetic Neutral Eyeshadow and Blush.
And we are focusing that mainly on the fucking outer crease of the eyes, but also putting it all over the eyes, but mainly the outer part. I don't know how to describe the eyes. Like, I did not take anatomy for eyes, bitch. I don't know what crease, but bitch, just watch where I'm putting it.
he puts like a black, like a coal base, so his eyeshadow, like the brown comes out more and it stays brown basically. So that's what we're emulating.
So just try your best to blend it out. Okay, this is harder than I fucking expected, so we're just gonna take some and add it. Now we're taking this brown right shade and we're packing that right on the black.
We're using Peach Tart.
And with these two combined with a thinner blending brush, and we're just gonna focus that right where the fucking edges are, so there's no harsh line.
So I'm gonna combine Peaches and Cream and Fresh Peaked right here. How about you?
And I'm gonna combine Peach Tea and Peach Cobbler.
Right here. I feel like I didn't blend the black base
Enough. You
enough.
Can still see
I
it.
can still see it, but
Yeah.
I guess it's okay.
Now it's time to wipe off the bake, bitch. This has been baking forever.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think
I even
need to
forgot.
wipe it off.
I guess it's gonna be wiping the whole out
Yeah.
rather than anything. Really?
Bottom of the eyes is quite simple. We're gonna go in with this orange shade here. All over, like I said. For the waterline, I'm gonna go with Marc Jacobs highlighter in Rococo, and we are just bringing out
The waterline, he used like a brown shade. I'm gonna go in with a faint black one.
Okay.
What about you?
I don't think I'm gonna just stab like my. Oh my god. You know, I have a thing, the weird kind of relationship with eyes. I cannot put anything in my eyes. So.
Like you're scared of that?
Ah! Don't do that! I'm not doing it. Sorry.
That's cheating.
It's not cheating. My eyes are sensitive! Oh my god, I can't look at her. I'm distraught.
Okay.
Next step.
So to contour and bronze, I'm going to be using the Terracotta by Glam or whatever, using my MAC 135 brush. We're going to go in with a darker contour shade, very lightly, and we are just doing that on the outer edges. Outer edges, outer motherfucking edges.
have good bones, so I don't need that much.
Now we're gonna make the contour a little bit more precise. I'm just not gonna mix it. I'm just gonna go like that. I'm not gonna mix it. Just going in.
I'm a bit scared. That's a step I never do. It's not that bad.
Kneading powder duo. I'm just using this one. And I'm just gonna put this where I would highlight and where I want the highlight to hit. This is super like skin-like finish, so I can just go on everywhere. We're taking the bake off. I don't like baking my face for so long. I really don't. I really don't. I'm not the one. I'm not the one. Now to set the highlighter, we are gonna set it with more highlighter. I'm gonna spray with Max Fix Plus before any.
We're gonna go in just like him with the Fix Plus by MAC.
Okay.
Just like he said, we're not gonna just do 4 sprays. We're gonna drench our face with it. So are you ready?
Do your technique.
Okay.
So she doing an X, and then she doing a reverse X, and then a T, and then reverse T. Yeah!
Am I drenched enough? Yeah. Oh gosh! Does it all over. I'm literally drenched in it.
She cover or whatever.
Be prepared, because this shit does not joke the fuck around, bitch. Especially if you spray that Fix Plus.
Bretman is making me go in.
I know.
I never usually put this one.
Let's do more.
Okay.
I know a lot of you guys are waiting for this moment, so we are gonna highlight my ears together.
Let's highlight our ear. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's so
Okay,
cute.
that's yeah. I can't tell.
Can you guys tell we highlight our ear?
Ooh, in the light, I'm kind of shook. Like, can you guys see? Oh, I can see it. Okay.
So to finish the look, we're just gonna go in with mascara.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use MAC mascara. I don't know what this one called.
Yeah, Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara by Marc Jacobs.
This is what the makeup looks like without the lashes. Now,
Well, this is our final look. Do we look like Bretman? But in all seriousness, you watched the entire video. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let us know what you guys think in the comment. We would love to hear from you.
Shout out to Ellie all the way in Switzerland.
Our girls, Ellie, what's up? And that's it. Till next time.
Till next
Bye.
time.